of the day, welcome to online LKG class.
This is Ikra Siddiqui and today again I am here to teach you subject English. So dear kids, today we are going to learn vowels and consonant. So we will start our class with etiquettes, GK question answers and sight words. So dear kids, we will start with etiquettes. So our etiquette of the week is wash your hands after using toilets. So dear kids, we should always wash our hands after using toilets. This is a very good habit also. Kids, now we will learn some GK questions and answers. So our first question is, which is our national tree? Our national tree is banyan tree. Okay, now tell me, which is our national river? Our national river is the Ganga. Now we will learn some sight word. So our sight word is put. Put. Kids, repeat after me. Put. Our next sight word is picture. Picture. So dear kids, now we will revise vegetables name. So let's start. Kids, this is tomato. Tomato is red in color. The spelling of tomato is Tomato. Tomato. Kids, look here. This is potato. The spelling of potato is Potato. Potato. Kids, this is a brinjal. Brinjal. The spelling of brinjal is Brinjal. Brinjal. Kids, look here. These are peas. The spelling of peas is Peas. Peas. Kids, look this vegetable. This is onion. This is onion. The spelling of onion is Onion. Onion. Kids, now tell me what we are learning. Yes, we are learning vegetables name. So dear kids, look here. This is chili. Chili is green and red in color. The spelling of chili is Chilli. Chili. Kids, now tell me how many vegetables name we have revised today. Yes, we have revised 6 vegetables name. Vegetables are tomato, potato, brinjal, peas, onion and chili. So dear kids, now we will start our main topic. So our main topic is vowels and consonant. Kids, look here and now tell me, what are these? You know very well, right? Yes, these are alphabets. Kids, can you tell me how many letters are there in alphabets? There are 26 letters in alphabets. But there are 5 magic letters in English alphabets. Those are called vowels and rest of letters are called consonant. So kids, let's find out vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 magic letters which are also known as vowels because without them we cannot make any meaningful word. Kids, these are vowels. These are 5 letters. And these are consonant. These are 21.
Kids, can you tell me which letters are called vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Kids, now we will listen the vowel song.
The vowels of the alphabet, I know them all by name. Oh, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them all by name. Oh. The vowels of the alphabet, I know them all by name. Oh, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them all by name. Oh.
So kids, have you enjoyed the song? Yes. Now tell me what was there in a song? Yes, there were vowels. So now tell me how many vowels are there in English alphabets? Yes, there are 5 vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Kids, vowels are 5 and consonant are 21. I hope kids you have learned the concept of vowels and consonant. So dear kids, now let's come on your classwork. So in your classwork you have to write the fruit's name. I hope kids you will do your classwork very beautifully. Now let's come on your homework. So in your homework you have to circle on the vowels. This is your homework. So dear kids, now we will meet in next class. Thank you for watching this class. Thank you so much. Bye bye kids.